Happykids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria from Happykids, and today we are diving down to the sea and we are going to be making a starfish. And I have one in my fish tank upstairs, but it's not a regular kind of starfish. It almost looks like an octopus, but we're making a regular starfish today. Here's what you need to get started. You need purple, light purple, black, and white. You also need a Play-Doh knife, but if you don't have one, that is okay. You can just use a real one, but be sure to ask an adult for permission first. Let's get started. First, I'm going to start with the base of my starfish, which is going to be purple. Now I'm going to connect all the starfish's legs. Now I'm going to add some spots onto our starfish. It's coming along great. Now time to add on the cute little face. This is my little starfish, and his name is Jelly. I don't know why, it just seemed like the right name for a starfish. Remember, you can use any kind of colors that you want when you make your starfish. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. Be sure to come back to see what I'm creating next time here on Happykids. See you later.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.